Hello students, welcome to Anjana's maths class. Today I will teach you some sums of LCM and HCF. Okay? See here is a sum 3 bells in a church toll at intervals of 15, 18 and 45 seconds respectively. After how many seconds will the 3 bells toll together? Okay, so you have to just find out the LCM of 15, 18 and 45. So after you will get the answer by finding the LCM. So LCM of 15, 18 and 45. So find out by common division method. So here 15, 18 and 45. 2 nines are 18. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 15s are 45. Then again 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again last 5. You know how to find our LCM? Earlier I have taught you. So just LCM of 15, 18 and 45. So LCM of 15, 18 and 45 equal to how much? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So what will your answer? 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45 and 45 into 2 is 90 seconds. So this is your answer. Okay? 45 and 5 3s are 15, 15 3 45 and 45 into 2 is 90. Hope you have understood this question. So next try another one. Now look here, another question. Find the least number of marbles so that piles of 12, 15 and 20 marbles can be made. You have to find the least number of marbles. When there is mentioned least number of marbles, then you should know you have to find LCM. Okay? So solution. LCM of 12, 15 and 20. Now find out LCM of 12, 15 and 20 by common division method. See here 2, 6. Then 15 will remain same, 2, 10. Then again 2, 3 is a 6. Then 15, 2 5s are 10. Then 3 1s are 3 5s are 5 and last is 5. See here 2 6 12, then 15 will remain same as it is not divisible by 2. Then 2 10 20. 2 3 6, 2 15 will remain same, it is not divisible by 2. Then 2 5 10. Again 3 1 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 will remain same. Then 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. Now find out the LCM of 12, 15 and 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 to 4, 4, 3, 12. 12 into 5 is 60. So 60 marbles. So this is your answer. Okay. So when there is mentioned least number, you find out the LCM. Now let us do another one. Now look here. Try to understand this question. A merchant has 120 liter of oil of one kind, 180 liter of another kind, and 240 liter of third kind. So he have 3 types of oil, and now he wants to sell the oil by filling the 3 kinds of oil in tins of equal capacity. So what should be the greatest capacity of such in tin? See here, when you have to find the greatest capacity or maximum capacity, then you have to find HCF. And when you have to tell the minimum capacity or least capacity or least number, then you have to find LCM. Okay. Now please take a screenshot of this question. I have to rub this question to write the answer. Please take a screenshot. Now look here. The greatest capacity of tin will be equal to the HCF of 120, 180 and 240. You have to find the prime. You can find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay. So I am finding it by prime factorization method. So look here. 260, 230, 215. So 3, 5 and 5, 1. Now find out the prime factorization of 180. 2 9s are 18. 2 4 5. So 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s. Okay. Now 240. 2 2 6 are 12. 2 30 60. 2 15 is a 30. 3 5 5 1. 2 12 is a 24. 10 0. 2 6 are 12. Then 0. 2 3 is 6. Then 0. 2 30 60. Then 2 15 is a 30. Then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So now find out the common factors of these three. Okay. So here I am writing the common factors. Okay. HCF of one minute. So see here, now common factors. Common factors of 120 equal to how much? 2. Here 3 2s are there. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Then again common. Here Okay, common factors of 180 equal to 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 5, then 240. Common factors of 240 equal to 2 into 2, then 4 2s are there, then into 3 into 5. Okay, now look here, you have to find the HCF. So HCF of 120, 180 and 240 equal to how much? See here these two. Okay, take 1 2, then again this, so again 1 2. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Then next is third, you don't have here 3 2, so left is 2. Now see, shift to 3, then 3 is here, here and here, so into 3, then 5, here is 1 3, so we have taken 1 in each. Then 5 is, yes, 5 is the another factor. So how much it will be? 5 3 15, 2 30, 32, 60. So HCF is 60. So here the greatest capacity of tin will be the equal to 60. Okay, 1 minute. See how much the greatest capacity of tin equal to 60 liter. Okay, the greatest capacity of tin will be 60 liter. So this is your answer. Okay, now let us do another question. Now look here, last video I taught you one concept that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. So see this question, the product of two numbers is given 3072. If the LCM of the number is 192, find the HCF. So this you have given, LCM is given here, product of two numbers is given, you have to find the HCF. Okay, now let us find the HCF. See here, the product of two numbers is how much? 3072. LCM is given to you 192. You have to find this HCF. So how will you find? 1 minute. 3072. So how will you find this HCF? So HCF is equal to 3072 by 192. Okay. See, I have told you, if there here it is multiplication. if a multiplication number comes to the right hand side of this equal to, so multiply will turn into divide. This side, or from here it can comes to this side also, according to the need of your question. So it will be, if here is multiply, it will be divide. When it will come right side, if here is plus, then it will be minus. If it will go to right side. So this I have taught you earlier. Now find HCF. So you have to divide it. The rough work in right side. 192. So 190 to 1 is 192, just minus, so 7 minus 2 is 5. Here if you will borrow is 10, so 10 minus 9 is 1. Then here it will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2. Now see, 192 into 6 will be how much? 6 to 12. 6 9s are 54, 55. So 616. It will be, oh sorry, here 6. 192 into 6 will be 1152. Okay. So how much you will get? HCF is 16, equal to 16. So HCF will be 16. Okay. So I have completed this one. Now one thing I have to mention you, see here, it is easy. Now you have given LCM, find out HCF. It may be you have given HCF, you have to find LCM, same thing. But there are some questions where LCM and HCF is given to you. Okay. Suppose LCM and HCF is given to you and product of one number is given and product of other number, you have to find it. Okay, then how will you find? See here, LCM into HCF, product of one number into product of other number. See here, product of two numbers means here will be two numbers, product of one number and product of other number. So it may be LCM and HCF is given to you and product of one number is given to you. You have to find the product of the other number. So this will be given, you multiply it. This is given to you. This you have to find. So it will come here and you have to divide it and you will get the product of the other number. Okay. So children, students, if you like my video, please share and subscribe it. Practice it at your home, and I have completed the LCM and HCF. In next class, I will try another lesson.